never lose an unsent message again. WhatsApp's latest update is bringing a drafts feature that's a total game changer. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the hottest tech updates. Let's dive into WhatsApp's new draft messages feature. WhatsApp is working on a slick new feature to make your messaging life easier. Spotted in the Android beta version 2.25.18.17, this update introduces a dedicated drafts filter. It gathers all your unsent messages into one spot so you never forget to finish that important task. Right now, finding draft messages means scrolling through your entire chat list, total time waster. But with this update, any message you've typed that haven't sent gets a green draft tag and moves to a special list. Whether you're juggling multiple chats or get distracted mid-text, this feature has got your back. Here's the best part, it's super easy. Just tap the drafts filter and boom, a list of all your unsent messages pops up. No setup, no hassle. It's a preset option that appears automatically when you've got drafts. Don't need it? You can turn it off anytime. This is perfect for busy texters who leave messages unfinished. This feature is a lifesaver for anyone who multitasks across chats or gets interrupted mid-message. It's still in development, so it'll roll out in a future update. WhatsApp hasn't dropped an official release date yet, but we are keeping our eyes peeled. WhatsApp's draft feature is all about saving time and keeping your conversations on track. No more forgotten texts or endless scrolling. It's a small tweak with a big impact, and we can't wait to go see it live. Are you excited for WhatsApp's draft messages feature? Tell us in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech news.